Before I weld the outside of it, I'm kind of smoothing it all in a little bit, trying to make the variations in the depth from with the form and a little bit of warpage. Just trying to get it close. Let me stay off my phone while I'm working, dummy. Test fitting it, seeing how everything looks, everything lined up. Nothing can't be fixed with a hammer. Just spot welding it together at this point. Very, very, very rough dry fit is what this is. Try to make everything fit. I'm using that square pipe to hold it in place so it's not rolling everywhere. Trying to find a pattern that I can weld solid, that way with the hood's down I can just keep right on rolling. I went diagonally, it was easier to follow the diagonal lines from where the hexagon nuts lined up. You find your own system, it doesn't even really matter. Mostly welded up. I'm starting to find where I can put a 3/4 inch plumbing pipe through it and weld it, so I can start spinning it. Here I'm cutting the top off where I'm estimating the 3/4 inch pipe will fit through. A lot of it's just guesswork. Eyeball the bottom center, trying to Charles bend a little bit. 1/4 inch pilot hole, and I got a monster wrist, break your wrist drill bit there. Just doing the best I can to punch through. The plasma cutter would have been better, but it was too much to set up. Trying to see if it spins moderately evenly. the whole thing was out of form since I didn't spin the original sacrificial form. It's close. Here I've got it in the pipe threader that I bought. Nice, slow spinning, doesn't matter if it's out of true or not. Close as I can get it, just keep going. Till I was grinding and welding for over a week, a solid week of grinding and welding in little holes. Come back in, you can see where stuff's not lining up correct. I'm filling in gaps, filling in holes. I think I truly built this the hardest way I could possibly have figured out how. Here I'm forming the top as it comes in a little bit, trying to make it look better and get the cone or the tip of the tier truly drawn out. I've got a solid piece of pipe that fit into the 3/4 inch pipe. I'm welding it on out. I wish I went with a solid piece all the way through to begin with. I didn't. I'll do that different next time. Polishing it in. You can see some cut marks of the things that need up that aren't perfect. And that's your rough teardrop.